Today we will discuss about accounting statement regarding forfeiture of sales. Forfeiture means cancellation of sales. If any shareholder fail to pay allotment or call money, company has the power to forfeit their shares. So accounting statement regarding forfeiture of shares. First we will see how shares are issued. So shares may be issued at par or shares may be issued at premium. So first case, if shares are issued at par and forfeited, entry will be share capital account debit. Share capital account debit to calls in arrear account to share forfeiture account or forfeited shares account. Share capital account debit, number of shares forfeited into called up value per शेयर मल्टीप्लाइड करके जो अमाउंट आएगा वी विल राइट इन अमाउंट कॉलम. कॉल्स इन एरियर, नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स फॉरफिटेड इनटू अनपेड अमाउंट पर शेयर. शेयर फॉरफीचर अकाउंट, नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स फॉरफिटेड इनटू अमाउंट पेड पर शेयर. So this entry will be passed if shares were issued at par and forfeited. Second case, if shares were issued at premium and forfeited, first we will see the amount of premium received or not. If the amount of premium received, then same entry will be passed. If the amount of premium is not received, in that case entry will be share capital account debit, security premium account debit, security premium account debit to calls in arrear account to share forfeiture account. Share capital account debit, number of shares forfeited into called up value per share excluding premium. Security premium account debit, number of shares forfeited into unpaid premium per share. Two calls in arrear, number of shares forfeited into unpaid amount per share including premium. To share forfeiture, number of shares forfeited into amount paid per share excluding premium. So these two entry will be passed at the time of forfeiture of shares. When shares were forfeited, it will be reissued. Reissue of forfeited shares may be at par or at discount or at premium. If shares were reissued at par, entry will be bank account debit to share capital account. If shares were issued at par, bank account debit to share capital account, number of shares reissued into called up value per share or face value per share, we will write there. If shares were issued at premium, then entry will be bank account debit to share capital account to security premium account. Bank account debit, number of shares reissued into reissued value per share. To share capital account, number of shares reissued into called up value per share. To security premium account, number of shares reissued into premium per share on reissue, and shares may be reissued at discount. In that case, entry will be bank account debit, share forfeiture account debit, share forfeiture account debit to share capital account. Bank account debit, number of shares reissued into reissued value per share. If shares were reissued at discount, entry will be bank account debit, share forfeiture account debit to share capital. Bank account debit, number of shares reissued into reissued value per share. Share forfeiture account debit, number of shares reissued into discount per share on reissue. To share capital account, number of shares reissued into face value or called up value per share. And at the end, balance of share capital transferred to capital reserve, and for that entry will be share forfeiture account debit, share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve, being balance of share forfeiture transferred to capital reserve.